Hello friend, welcome to my channel. This is Abhay with you. Once again I am here to review one more product. The product name is Profit Abundance. So this product is created by Sid, Bill and Saurabh. So see, this is the software where you will get the 40 secret source that unlock the free buyer traffic from the more than 500 million buyers. So this is all from open platform. So here in this software 40 different hacks is given so that you can use these 40 different hacks to get the buyer traffic for your product. So all these 40 hacks is given in this software so that you can use all this and implement in this in your product promotion. Along with this, you will get the inbuilt great application that is profit generator. In this profit generator, you will get the 5 product to promote. 5 product is a evergreen and which have a great conversion rate. So this 5 product you will get there, you have to just apply for that product and put your affiliate link so that you can promote this product. Along with this, you will get the 25 bonuses also. So then you can earn the 100% commission for this product which you have sold. And so this is the proven product. You will get the buyer for this product once you promote this product. So everything is given in this software. You have to just follow that step and implement that. In this software, you will get the ready-made done for you the product, 5 products that no need any experience, previous experience, so that you can promote this product and earn the commission. So these are some unique features. So as I told, you will get the untapped buyer traffic from open web platform. That is also more than 500 million. So here breakthrough secret revealed. That is also brand new in 2021. You can promote any link and to get the thousands, 100 buyer traffic. That is also without paying single penny on ads. So it's a 100% beginner friendly. Newbie can also run this. That is also without any technical skill. In this software, you will get the inbuilt done for you. In this software, you will get the 40 inbuilt secret source and various hacks and strategies so that this 40 hacks and strategy you can implement and start earning money. So this is the foolproof system. Anyone can implement these strategies and hacks and start earning money. So today I have a great offer for you. If you purchase this product through my link, you will get the additional bonuses from my side and vendor side as well. So these bonuses will act as an add-on for this software. So I will review this product. So first I will take you through my bonus page, then we'll visit to the member area and then we'll check the sales page where we'll go through the price and OTO prices. So let's start our review. So I'll take you through my bonuses. So this Profit Abundance, this product is going to launch on 15th August 11 AM EST, that is Eastern Standard Time. Please note that this bonuses is only for limited time frame. So once this timer goes off, this bonus will also gone off. So this bonuses is till 18th August midnight. So you have to grab this product before that to avail the all bonuses from my side and vendor side. So this price part we'll discuss once we'll go through the sales page. So this is the bonuses which I am going to offer you along with this product. So this bonus number 1, you will get this tutorial, access the Figo breakout. So here, this is the tutorial where you learn how to get the buyer traffic from Instagram. So here various hacks and strategies given so that you will learn how to get the buyer traffic for your product from Instagram. And that is also totally in organic way. You no need to pay any money for getting this buyer traffic. Bonus number 2, in this tutorial you will learn master YouTube ads. So here various hacks and strategy is given how to use the YouTube ad and how to create that. Everything is given from scratch to finish. In bonus number 3, you will learn build your buyer list while profiting. So here various hacks and strategy is given in this tutorial how to grow your buyer list while doing your online business. So you will learn from these bonuses. Bonus number 4, you will get license right to Aurora. So this product, this software is created by my mentor Jono Armstrong. Here you can sell this product as your own and you can earn the 100% commission from selling this product. So you will get the license right to sell this Aurora software. So bonus number 5, you will get all the vendor bonuses which vendor is offering along with this product. So now I will take you through the member area. So I have logged into this member area. So this is the dashboard you can see for this profit abundance. On left hand side you can see these various tools. So first you will go through this welcome note from the creator of this product. So in this access profit abundance here, so here you will get access to the profit generator. So you have to just simply click on that so that you will get the product to promote. So as I earlier told you my intro video, you can select any of these 5 products, the Twitex, Mayo, Rapid Mobile Commission, Blaze Funnel and MailerLink. So these are the high converting evergreen products which you can promote and you can earn the commission from already proven product. So here you have to just put your name, like here I am putting my name. You have to put affiliate link for that product. Suppose if you have choose this Twitex, so you have to just click on that Twitex and you have to just select your affiliate link for this Twitex. So I will paste my affiliate link for Twitex. So just I am simply clicking on, see here I got my affiliate link for Twitex. So I have to simply copy it and I will paste here. Okay, it's a very simple and I have to just submit. Okay, so this template is created here. So you can see this automatic, this template is created. You can copy this link. I will open that link. So see, within 2 clicks, so this landing page for Twitex is created where you can see this Twitex along with the beautiful 5 bonuses. So you have to just simply put your affiliate link and click on submit, so that this landing page will create along with the bonus page. Once the buyer will come here and buy this product through your link, you will get the commission. So here, as I told you, you will get the 14 different hacks. So see here, 10x profit abundance. Here some hacks is given. So everything is given in step by step. Why list building is important, why this traffic is important in any of the online business. So everything is given in this tutorial. So how to promote your product on social media, why social media is important. So here various list building hacks is given. So all these hacks you can implement while promoting your product and you can ultimately earn the commission by promoting your product. So here various traffic hacks is also given. So you can go through these traffic hacks. Here you will get general marketing hacks. So how to promote your product, how to do the marketing, everything is given. Here 10 different hacks is given, so that simply blindly you can follow these hacks and you can grow sales of your own product. So here some upgrade is also given. So if you want to go for upgrade, that upgrade is also given. So various bonuses is also given. As I told you, will get the various bonus from vendor side as well. So you will get all these bonuses from vendor side. So here you will get the support also. If you stuck up at any point of time, you can directly contact to their support. So see here, everything means actually you will get the 14 hacks. Apart from that, you will get the 5 profit generator which have a high converting ratio. That also you will get inbuilt here. So everything is given in this software. That is also on nominal charges. That we'll go through that once price will discuss. That time I'll reveal that the price. So everything you will get in single payment. So this is from member area. Now I will take you through the price part. So this is the price part. So here, so this profit abundance you will get front end for $17. So here you will get access to the powerful Profit Abundance software and training module. In upsell number 1, Profit Abundance Pro, that cost you around $37. Here you will get the access to Pro version of their all product. Upsell number 2, Done For You weekly campaign, that cost you around $67. Upsell number 3, Unlimited Traffic Mastery, that cost you around $197 and downsell price is $97. Upsell number 4, Reseller Ride, that cost you around $47 and downsell price is $27. So here you will able to resell the Profit Abundance as your own and keep the commission, whole commission for you. Upsell number 5, Resell Vault Ride, that cost you around $97. So here you will get the resell right to all other top listed products. And upsell number C, Alpha Dominator Collaboration, that cost you around $997 and downsell price is $97. So this is the price part. So I'll summarize this Profit Abundance software. So in this software you will get inbuilt profit generator where you can promote the 5 products which are already proven and have high converting rate. So you have to just simply put your affiliate link there and you have to just post there. So you will get the buyers for this product and you will start earning money. And second, you will get the 40 different hacks how to grow your buyer traffic and marketing hacks, and various hacks is given so that everything is covered in this hack. So it will help you to grow your online business and it will take your online business to next level. So it's a overall good software for newbies. So I hope this review is helpful to you. If you like this product and if you want to purchase this product, my link is already given in the description. You have to just click on that link so that you will get this product. Along with that, you will get the bonuses from my side which will act as an add-on for this software. And at the same time, you will get the bonuses from vendor side as well. So on this channel, I'll come up with the upcoming product review videos. So do subscribe my channel. And if you like this video, please share with your friend. Thank you. Thank you for watching this review.